Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today topic is very beneficial and very easily you can use this. So today topic is celery mask for wrinkles. We have required some things, some ingredients: powdered oatmeal. The ingredients, the quantity is 2 tablespoons. Celery juice. The required quantity is 2 tablespoons. What we have to do: juice a celery stick or two and add it to the oatmeal. Mix with a spoon in a smooth way. Apply this paste on the face and neck. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Wet your hands and gently scrub the pack away in circular motions. Rinse your face thoroughly with water. How often you should do this? Use this as a face mask scrub up to twice a week. Why this work? Celery is very high in water content and is excellent at rehydrating the skin. It also contains minerals like magnesium and potassium and vitamins like A, B1 and B6 that nourish the skin. Acne scarring is a common ailment for which celery face pack are used. So celery face pack is best for acne scarring. So the same healing properties of celery can be used for reducing wrinkles. So it's really very amazing ingredient celery has. Celery can also fill the acne scars, and also it has reducing properties for wrinkles and regenerating the skin's dead cells, remove the dead cells and regenerating the new cells. So that's why this celery face pack is best for wrinkle and acne scars. I hope you like the video. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.